In this video, I'm going to be showing you my summer morning routine.
Hey guys, it's Nadia Seed, and it's right now about 11:30, and I slept in a little bit, but it's cool because it's summer break. Anyways, first thing I'm gonna do is probably clean up my room, because my room is like really messy right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go quickly clean up my room. Alright, I finished cleaning my room, which took some time, but anyways, now I'm going to go brush my teeth, wash my face, and all of that. I just finished my skincare system, and now I'm going to go downstairs and eat breakfast. Yeah. Okay, so I poured some orange juice and made some crepes, so let's try it. Okay, I finished breakfast and it was very good. Now I'm going to write in my journal, and I'm going to basically write what I want to do for the rest of the day. And I'll probably record a summer weekend in my life video so you can see what I did for the rest of the day, and probably even tomorrow. So stay on the lookout for that video. That should be coming out soon. And right now I'm gonna get to writing. Now I'm going to just read. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. This was my summer morning routine. Comment down below if you want to see something similar to this again. And as always, make sure you watch another video right now in full. And let's make not normal, then new normal with Nadia. Bye!